What is up, YouTube? This is Matthew B1212 or Mazzino. Just want to show you guys a quick video of the car. So this is basically our 2005 E60 545i. It's a 5 Series, and basically has about 60,000 miles on it, which is pretty good. So I'm just gonna test this out and see if it does what I'm trying to show you guys what it's doing. I haven't drove it since yesterday, and my dad drove it today, so if he drove it and it seemed pretty fine, I don't know if it's gonna do it to me right now, but every time I turn it on and off, I'm gonna be video it, and if I can catch it at the right time, I am gonna post on YouTube. So for this first one, I'm gonna post on YouTube just to show you guys right now, after the day after, because this happened to me yesterday. It did what I was just showing you guys on my other video, what it was doing. Like, I was trying to demonstrate by just, kind of doing myself, but not like with the car itself. So I'm gonna leave the door kind of open so you guys can hear the car better when I turn it on. But basically, I'm just trying to figure out. So for this first video, I'm gonna show you guys, and then for the next one, I'm not gonna mess. I'm not like, if it doesn't do anything, I'm not gonna keep showing every video as it's not working. But I'm gonna video it myself, and then the one that I catch it on, I'll show it to you guys. But for this first one, I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway, just so you guys can see at this point. But I think it's gonna work fine because my dad drove it, and it seemed like it worked fine. So hold on. Okay, so we're gonna see if it does anything. So right now it's on. It's not turned on. And basically it keeps saying engine service soon. So basically over here it would say increased emissions right there when I first drove it. And yeah, so basically we're gonna see what happens here. So I'm just trying to figure out if it's gonna do it to me, so I'm just gonna test it. Okay, nothing happened. See, it says increased emissions, engine symbol, but it turned on pretty fine right now. So basically what it would be doing is it would just keep revving like that. And it would just be very strange, and I don't know, like, right now it seems fine. I'm in the garage, so I'm gonna turn it off, but it is just very strange, and I don't know what it could be the problem. It could be the belt, it could be something, just I'm not really understanding. So right now it worked fine, but if I ever have a chance to drive it again, every time I turn it on, I'm gonna make a video, and I'm gonna try to see if I can catch it when it does it. And if I find one where it catches it, where I catch it doing it, I'm gonna show you, because basically what it does, and this one has 7 like my other car, like the car I showed you on my video. So basically I'm just gonna turn it on like that. I'm not gonna turn it all the way on. Basically what it does is the meter, when you turn it all the way on, it goes right there, but then it keeps revving up and down, like right here, it goes, and then it cuts out, and basically the car, the radio, everything will be on, and the car and everything will be on, except the engine will just cut out. It's like, it's almost like you have the car like in just basically like on like this. Like it'll just be like this pretty much. Like it'll almost be like you just have it like right now like this. So the radio, whatever all this is, like all the electronic will stay on, and the lights will stay on, but like the engine, it'll cut out like right now. Like, I mean, it's not like I'm just showing you guys like how it's not on, but it'll cut out like this, and everything else will be on. So it's very strange. I don't know what's wrong with the car, and I'm just kind of worried. I mean, I'm not sure exactly what could be wrong with it. I know that there's the right gas is in the car. It's not because of the gas. It's not because of any of that. So I know that the right gas is in the car, but I'm just not sure what could be the problem. So if any of you guys have any idea, I would just love the feedback and to understand what we could figure out to deal with, because I'm not understanding what could be the problem. And I don't want to leave the car on because I'm in a garage right now, but I mean, I'm just trying to figure it out. So if you guys could just please let me know if you have any idea what we could do here. I mean, I'm just really just gonna see if we can figure anything out, and if any of you guys have enough knowledge, you guys can understand. I mean, I know it's kind of hard because you guys can't really see for yourselves and kind of mess around with your own like yourselves as if you were a mechanic. But I'm trying to show you guys as best as I can and demonstrate you guys what I can show you. But if I ever see this happen, I'm gonna make sure I video it so you guys can see for sure like what it does by, you know, physically doing. So, but basically it goes up to like the 1,000 meter, like the one and the 1.5, and it'll just keep revving right there, keep going vroom 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 vroom, and then it cuts in, and you know basically the engine just shuts off. It dies. But the battery's on, everything else is on, the lights are on, the lights will stay on, everything will just stay on. And then I put it in park, take the key out, everything else turns off, I turn it back on, does the same thing a few times, and then it finally turns on. And I was doing that, and my friend, you know, he was looking in the front, and he wasn't sure, he thought maybe it could be something with the belt, he thought, you know, maybe the oil, I mean, I don't know, I really don't. So if you guys have any idea, I'd really appreciate the feedback, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.